Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. First of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the homepage as you can see, but before let's know what is Shopify. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify draw that link, the affiliate earns a commission. With this program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So right now all I have to do is just click for apply now. Once you do that, you will find the other page which is apply to become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission by referring new or established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. So you click over sign up, and then we have your contract terms for Shopify. So all I have to do right now is just click over accept, and you'll find here sign up and start earning. To get started, please sign up and create an account. So you can choose sign up with email, and also you can use Google or other things. So if you click over sign up with email, you'll find this page. You have to write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password, your mobile phone. Also you choose your country here, and this is how it works. Then you click over get started. Once you do that, you will find other page which is how would you categorize your business. Select the option that best describes how you attract with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brand learn more about your business. So first of all we have your social influencer, content and reviews, loyalty, rewards, then we have deal and coupons, email and newsletter, search and comparison, then we have network here, technology solution, cross audience monetization. So then you click over continue. After choose what you want here, you will find here add social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms. For example, Instagram here, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and then we have LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo, and this is how it works. Then you found this page which is tell us about yourself. If you choose individual, write your account display name, country and region here. Then we have your email address, you write your street address, also here is second street address, then your city, your zip code, then we have time zone here, and also currency, and you click over submit and you get started with Shopify. So if you come back, we have you become a Shopify affiliate. Earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans or Shopify point of sale. Then we have your two ways to refer and earn. Shopify plan referrals get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Pause Pro referrals, earn up to $115 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then we have your join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. We have you are committed to your success, and if you scroll down we have your frequently asked questions. What is the Shopify affiliate program? The Shopify affiliate program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach their audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join and allows you to monetize your audience and earn commissions from each new Shopify merchant referral. Then we have what requirements do I need to meet to apply. To apply, you must first own and run an active website, have an established audience, create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then we have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then the last one we have read and agreed to the Shopify a partner program agreement. Then if we scroll down, we have here how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in any country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? What information can I track about the merchant I refer? And the last question, what are Shopify's brand guidelines? So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. So the first one, we have YouTube. For example, we have here this this one, and it's just creating an account. And if you scroll down, you'll find here his link. If you click over this link, you will get a commission. So this is how it works with Shopify. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust by producing product reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos. You can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Engaging visuals and informative content can lead to higher conversion rates as viewers are more likely to trust recommendations from video creators they follow. Then we have also TikTok. So TikTok thrives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways by creating quick products, demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds. You can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your pure link to direct followers to affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. The platform's viral nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have the last one, which is Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visually showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. Visualizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your images, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share quick recommendations and utilize link sticker for seamless access to your affiliate links. Additionally, creating engaging reels can help you tap into a broader audience while highlighting product features in a dynamic way. Consistency and alternative engagement with your followers will help you build a loyal community that values your recommendation. Each platform offers unique opportunities to effectively promote your Shopify affiliates link, so experimenting with different formats and strategies is key to finding what works best for you. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.